This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by listing each input paired with its output. This gives you the raw data to analyze. Once done, scan for repeated inputs to confirm the mapping is a function, because a single input must not map to multiple outputs. Next, look for obvious numeric relationships, constant addition, multiplication, or a power, since these are the simplest rules. Make sure to write values in order so you can compare changes step by step. This reduces guesswork and points to the likely operation. Now hypothesize a rule and test it systematically. Try adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing by a constant, because linear patterns are common. Once you spot nonlinearity, test combinations like x plus b or x2, and consider piecewise definitions if outputs jump for ranges. Apply the candidate to every input, not just one or two. This ensures the rule holds universally. If a candidate fails for any pair, discard it and refine parameters. Solving for a and b from 2 points is an efficient next step. Finally, confirm your rule by algebraically proving it fits every input-output pair. If linear, solve parameters from 2 distinct pairs and verify the rest. Once confirmed, express the rule clearly and note any domain restrictions so users know where it applies. If you face ambiguity or multiple plausible rules, examine the domain or extra context to choose the intended one. For troubleshooting, always recheck raw data for typos or outliers first, because most mapping errors come from bad inputs rather than math.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.